Wow, I almost broke my camera. Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. It is me. It is I, Vivi Cooks, and welcome back to another vlog. So this vlog is going to be an interesting one. In this video, I'm going to be filming what I eat in a day. And I say interesting because my food timetable has kind of changed. I do things slightly differently. So right now, I'm just going to brush my teeth, wash my face, and head on downstairs to share with you guys what I eat for breakfast. I say breakfast is interesting because I'm usually not a breakfast person, but recently I self-diagnosed myself with ulcer. I found that I had the symptoms, which includes like the pain at the upper abdomen, the chest burn, and then the pain after I eat. And you know, with this pandemic, I can't really go to the hospital except it's really serious. I found that taking Gaviscon, taking milk, hence why I have like breakouts on my forehead, because I'm lactose intolerant, but I couldn't help it. So all in all, I found that taking the drugs for ulcer really helped me, and eating frequently as well reduced my pain and my chest burn. So I'm off intermittent fasting. I've been off for almost 2 weeks now, but regardless, I try to keep breakfast really simple. I don't do the most because it's still something I'm trying to get used to. Okay, so now that I'm done with the dishes, I'm just going to bring out the things I'm going to be using for breakfast. I'm also going to be bringing out the things I'm going to be using for lunch because they're both frozen. I'm going to be having peppers. For some time, and then I'll be back when it's time for lunch. Yeah guys, that is my quick, well, not so quick, but yeah, I hate eating raw tomatoes, baby, matured, premature, whatever you call it, but it has a lot of vitamins. So
as for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. Dear God, may I always be forgiving and tolerant of others.
guys, please watch ads of your favorite content creators. This is how we make money. It really helps when you watch our ads that we place either at the beginning, during the video, after the video. It really helps us. It's your way of showing support for liking our content or encouraging us to keep creating. Yeah, watch our ads, guys. I'm currently watching Adana David.
Girl, you know I love the heat. Anyway,
Oh yeah.
we're just out in the park with the kids. Yes, sweetheart? Yeah. I love you too, sweetheart.
This is lunch time and I'm very excited to show you guys what I'll be making. I know my outfit looks kind of funny, so we're just going to ignore that, okay? On today's menu for lunch, I'll be making the shrimp rasta pasta. It's originally called the jerk shrimp rasta pasta, but I don't have the jerk seasoning, so we're throwing the jerk name away, and we have the shrimp rasta pasta. And I'm going to be trying to make it the healthy way. Alright guys, I have some of my ingredients. We have some cheddar and mozzarella cheese that I'm going to be grating right now. I'm also going to be using some wheat pasta. I got this from exclusive stores. It's time to start cooking. This is my apron that you guys have seen in almost all my vlogs. Okay guys, so these are the spices I'll be using today. We have some ground black pepper, we have some all-purpose seasoning, chili powder, barbecue seasoning, we have some adobo, so then we have some garlic and parsley, we have some ginger here. So yeah, this is some oregano, nsuka pepper, aka yellow pepper. Finally, we have some chicken seasoning over here, so I'm just going to be putting it in both plates. A bit of this oyster sauce, some soy sauce. Look, look.
Okay, yeah, I'm fine. Been trying to get all of you all night. We haven't talked in months, but that's alright. Was wondering if you wanted to go for a drive. I just need some fresh air and an old friend. I'm so glad that we started talking again. Yo, turn up the radio, I love this song. Remember when we used to stay up all night long? How's it been going? Oh, how's it, mom? The roads are so empty, this is so damn calm. If we stick on the highway, we can drive all night long. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see meat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. I got my hands out the window, feeling the ocean breeze. Are we going again?
Hey guys, so I'm about to go and make myself quick noodles right now. I'm editing a vlog that's supposed to go up tomorrow, so yeah, watch me make quick noodles to eat because I can't come and die, okay?
Part of a 10-day bonus. learn anything faster. I learn things, and I want you to help me make this an assignment saying, I want you to visualize a dog. What parts of the brain like same part of the ends. They went to group A, B, C. That's no different. They said the group A, group C. With senior.
I'm about to eat, but while I eat, I'm going to video call my friend.